What's going on, guys? So today it's something kind of different. It doesn't really have to do with cars. She's taking, or I'm driving, but she's taking me somewhere, surprise basically. I'm vlogging it and I have no idea where we're going. We're gonna drop her car off and then she's gonna ride with me. And yeah, I don't know what to expect at all, but wish me luck. If I die, then you'll never see this video. Alright, I know with these GoPros, like every little movement I do, the audio gets all messed up and it's like all cracky. Sorry for that. I know the GoPro mic isn't the best quality ever, but soon enough I'll be able to upgrade to a better camera that I can vlog with. For now, kind of just settling for this. Gets the job done, but yeah. Sorry if you guys can't really hear me sometimes.
Today is the day I surprised him. It was supposed to go a little bit differently, but
I think she's buying me a new car, honestly.
Chris honestly has always, this is what he always does, he always spoils the surprise for himself.
How do I spoil it?
What a liar.
How do I spoil it?
He's honestly gonna get one guess and then...
I have a clue.
Where do you think we're going?
I think we're going on that boat. Are we? The speed one?
You're really close.
Oh, we're not?
No, you're really close.
I don't know.
Super close. It's another like activity over there, but you're really close. So keep guessing.
That's my only guess.
It's 2:25 and the boat leaves us.
I said the boat!
Yes, I told you. That's why we needed to leave earlier. Look guys, there's the boat. We didn't make it, of course.
More wind and turn up there, but wet back here. So you want to stay dry, you probably go up front. So they got us barf bags. No, I'm kidding, they're ponchos. I thought they were barf bags though. Coming out of there, we're going to be doing about 50 miles an hour here. Coronado Bay Bridge, down there we got a wide open playground. See what this boat can really do.
My business, my business. My business.
Alright guys, we're gonna slow it down here. How'd you like it?
That was so fun. I wish it went a little bit faster though.
I wish it did like,
Freaking dope.
I thought they were gonna do like super donuts.
Yeah,
like crazy
But
donuts.
this year was just like flip over.
But it was still fun. Back to the car now. Where are we gonna go eat? Where are we eating?
Crab Hut for the first time.
We're gonna go to Crab Hut.
My business. My business.
pulled over again. These guys are like watching.
Hey, do you understand that any modification to your exhaust is actually illegal?
Yeah.
Okay, you know that, right? Okay. You're just driving around, all I hear is.
Thank you. Well, how do you feel?
But I just got pulled over for my exhaust again in downtown this time because we're really like going in circles and circles, like because there's like no parking in downtown, and I didn't want to pay for freaking parking again because I already did earlier for like the boat. But yeah, I was just going in circles, and I kept seeing this like SUV cop, and I guess he just got sick and tired of me like driving around, and he just pulled me over. I thought he was gonna give me like a ticket because he asked me like, oh, do you know it's illegal, right? And I was like, yeah, and he basically said like, get out of here and just turn right. It's like, all right. So I finally found a parking, and then I'm finally gonna go eat. Still thinking about it. Ticket.
My business. My business. My business.
My life. You're supposed to be
It's on your sleeve, dude.
Oh my.
I'm in the video today. We got sauce.
Oh, that's really cute.
Here.
Look, me, you did it. You don't even know how to peel shrimp. Double check.
Hope you enjoyed our little
Adventure.
date day.
And we both said different things. That's embarrassing.
Yeah, she thinks I'm a friend.
I do not.
Drop a like, subscribe. Hope you guys enjoyed our little date day today. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.